Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find this option, Security and Privacy. Then let's tap on Device Unlock, MS click Device Unlock, and tap on Fingerprint. So here in this step, if you've got the pattern pin or password, so basically the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm, and then you will be transferred to the fingerprint section. If you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to add it right now. It is necessary. Without it, you won't be able to add the fingerprint. So simply choose the pattern pin or password, add it, and then let's go to the fingerprint. Alright, so let me enter the pattern to confirm and then tap on Setup. Here we've got the information about the screen protector. If you've got one, if you've got a third-party protector, it may affect the fingerprint sensor. And if you added it before adding the screen protector, it is recommended to remove the fingerprint and add it again, so it will not be affected by the protector that much. Alright, let's tap on Got It. Here we've got the sensor, so let's put our finger on it, and okay. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. So change the position of the fingerprint which you are adding, because as you can see, the sensor is quite sensitive, so it really sees when you're putting the same area, as you can see. All right, again, if you're putting the same area on the sensor. All right, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's tap on Done here. And this is the section with the fingerprint. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. We can also change animation styles. We've got only 3 of them, so waves, boomerang, and chroma dial. Totally up to you. Just mark the option which you like the most. So now let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device. And we do not have a sensor here on the black screen. However, we can check whether it works even without showing it. So I believe that the sensor should be somewhere here. So let me put my finger. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.